You know what I like to do when I'm angry or I need to calm down? I clean my room. This is just water, by the way, but for the record, I'm not angry today. Actually, I'm really in a good mood. But I really wanted to let you know because that's a really good calming method. So today I will declutter my beauty room because it's a mess. I have a lot of boxes that I want to get rid of. I have a lot of makeup everywhere. I wanted to clean my beauty room in a gown. So I got dressed up. This is a very, very nice prom dress. Actually, it has a train also. Super nice, super sexy, but also elegant. That's why I like it. It has a slit right here. I'm going to wear this as I clean. So let's get started. So I just wanted to show you that this is my beauty station right here. And it's full of makeup. Underneath here I still have other boxes. Here I received from a good friend something. So of course it came in a box and I want to throw out all the boxes in this room because they're too many. Here, as you can see, this is my background. I love this vanity table. It's super cute. Underneath it I collected so many PR boxes during these years that honestly I don't want to see them anymore because I just don't use them and they fill up space and yeah, I need space. By the way guys, my dress is from everpretty.com, so I will link it below if you want to see it. I will move from here everything I don't want. This is an empty box. Here I have some makeup. And I will show you why I had some makeup on the floor, because I had to prepare a makeup bag full of products. Luckily, in a very long time, I had to do the makeup for a bride this Saturday. In this bag, I put everything I needed to do her makeup with, because I went to her place. So I have to get rid of this also and empty it. But before that, I want to make some space here. The first thing I have here in this box, ow, oh my god, I hurt my finger. I have some very old headphones which we don't use anymore, and honestly they must go because they're just collecting dust. I have here some new makeup that I got from Pupa. Pupa is an Italian makeup brand, and I'm going to keep only the products and I'm going to get rid of all these boxes. I bought some things to do exercise with. This is for legs. You put them on your legs. If you would like me to do, I could do some exercise videos at home, but I have to move that from here. Here I received a mask which has some lips on it, but I never use it because honestly I only use medical grade masks and I don't use these. I think I'm going to get rid of the box also, and I'm only going to keep this stuff. And this is another thing for home workout. It's super cool. I got it also from AliExpress, from where I got that, but I will try to link it down below if I can find it. So how it works, you put your legs here and you start to exercise like this. Next I have here, I don't know what, empty boxes. What's here? Oh, I forgot about these, but I will give them as a gift. There are some earrings. They're really pretty, but I will give them to a friend. So this will stay. Here I have some perfume boxes. I don't know why I wanted to keep all my perfume boxes, but honestly I'm not going to keep them anymore. They're all brand and designer perfume boxes, but they're just filling up space here, so I'm not going to keep them anymore. I'm going to throw them away. Here I have a gift box which I will give to a friend. It's a perfume. Here I have something very interesting. There are some gifts made on their pictures. This is me and my husband. Their pictures on wood, and this is for us at home, and these I can show you, but they're for my brother and sister-in-law, so I will give them these exactly in this box, so this will go away also. Next, I have an empty jar. Oh, okay, I forgot about this, but I have an empty mask jar. This is from the Body Shop, and you see, it's made out of glass, and I want to recycle every cream bottle I have, and I will make some holes on the bottom of the jars, and I will fill them up with succulents, so that way I can recycle every glass bottle I own. Here I have another big box in which I had a Christmas calendar, but it's too big, it's too bulky. I wanted to keep it, but honestly I don't know what to put in it, I don't know what to do with it, so I'm just going to throw it out and put it in the recycle bin. Here I have other two Christmas calendars. They're really pretty, I'm not gonna lie, but I wanted to keep them and to just put them under the tree, but no, I never use them under the tree, so that's why they have to go. Right, next is a lid from a box which I use, but I'm going to throw it away. Here I have a PR box which I haven't yet got to throw out because it's so pretty. It's from Too Faced, look, and it has a mirror in it. It has my two favorite things, my favorite mascara and also my eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner in the whole world. It's called Better Than Sex from Too Faced, and it's the best. So I'm going to get everything out from here and I will throw it away because I can't use it anymore and it's too bulky, but it's really pretty. And as I've said, I wanted to keep everything, but honestly I don't use them, so I don't want to clutter my home with everything that's here. This I will reuse, I will recycle it somewhere because it's very pretty. I think in the bathroom or something I received it. It also has a mirror here and it's made out of bamboo, and I can really use this because it's really useful. Now here I have another box which I will throw out because it's so pretty. I don't want to throw it out, but that's it. I have another gorgeous box from Too Faced, but it's filled with shredded cardboard stuff, which also I thought it was too pretty to get rid of, but I don't use it. Next I have here two things. This is I received it from a friend. It's a frame, but I haven't put anything in it yet, so I will have to find some pictures to put in. I will not throw that out. Here I have another box. I will keep it. It has some moss in it and it's made out of wood, so I will definitely find a use for this. It has a glass on top. So here I have another Christmas box. Here's another box, and it's so pretty and unique. I think I will get this out of here and maybe use it somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, I could get it out. So these are some lips. I think it will look good as a decoration piece right here. And yeah, I can keep that, it's really cool. But the other boxes, no, they have to go. They have to go. Other box. I kept here. Oh, I discovered scrunchie. I forgot about this. But I really like all these boxes and I was so happy when I got them. But I can't keep them anymore because I think I would have to rent a new apartment just for these. So now everything's clean right here. I'm going to get rid of some things from here. Not this, of course, but look, I have also this cute panda stuff. It was some cleanser from Sephora, but honestly I'm not going to keep this jar anymore, even though it's so cute. Look, it's super cute, but I'm not going to keep it anymore. And also these jars, flower jars, I will get rid of and I will put them in my gardening section because that's where they belong. So now is much more cleaner here. I just have to clean up everything. On the floor I still have all these boxes and papers. They will go. They will go. Here also I will get rid of that red box right there. Here on my makeup table I will arrange everything right here. Look also at all these plastics, they will go. Also these two boxes will go. Here I have something filled up with only makeup, which I will also give to my friends. Here I have some new dresses. Also I will get rid of all these plastics. I will put all my dresses from here. And just look how big the pile of the trash is. I mean, I can't. And also I came here in my perfume room because I need to throw out everything that's there. But before, let me show you something really nice. I just love when I have on my wall this sun reflection and shadows. The aesthetic, it's so pretty. It's like a picture from Pinterest. I just love it. Here are from my flowers and my, I don't know how is that called. Yeah, I really like how it looks on my wall at this time of the day. See how long my train is. It's also filled with cat hair already, of course, from Mrs. I will throw all these boxes away also, because those I've used for my Christmas decor, but I really don't need them anymore. I don't want to see any more boxes. And I will get rid of everything that's here because it's just a mess. Here it was another box from a perfume that I received, and this must go also. Maybe I will keep that. This is my hand vacuum cleaner. Here I have other boxes, and here that's a bag I have to throw out. These two bags right here are filled with perfume boxes, if you can believe. As I've mentioned, I was so not willing to throw them out, but honestly I don't have anything to do with them, so they will go. I received as a gift 1 month ago, I think, this perfume right here, Lancôme La Vie est Belle. So this is new for me, but I will get rid of the box, honestly, because it's too bulky and it doesn't look good here with my collection. So that will go. Looks better already. Also, I will get rid of this one. It's from this perfume. And I think I will rearrange them a little bit so that they will match here in the pink and golden section. So ladies, this was my video, my declutter video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it inspired you to get rid of everything that you don't want, everything that you don't need anymore, and also that you haven't touched in the last year. That's really important and a good guide to declutter all your rooms, because if you have one thing that you don't use, that you don't need, and you haven't touched it in a year, you can get rid of and you won't miss it. And I think you will be much more happier that you will only have in your house things that you really need and you use. You will be much more happier that everything is clean and neat. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe and go watch my other videos. Bye! Can you see my #1 helper?